Welcome to Ceiven, to our Facebook marketing course today. Today I want us to move straight away on how you can create a page. If you could remember, we've done how you can create a profile. So today I want to see how you can create a page and why you should create a page. Of course, many people may be thinking that no, I don't want to create a page. Why should I create a page? I want to let you know that it's better you have a page and a profile. Why do I say so? Because a profile is just like a house. It houses everything you are doing on Facebook. While the page are just those branches that led to that house that the house is holding. Let me now come clear on this. If you have a profile and you turn that profile to professional mode, and maybe that profile got monetized, then you can monetize your page again. If you monetize your page, they will cancel it. And what if tomorrow you have issue with the profile and the Facebook now ban your profile? The meant it ban your profile is as good as your house has been brought down. So you can't reconstruct it unless you are going to build a new one. Okay? But if you create a page and then get that page monetized, you can seek another page and also get another page monetized. You can monetize like 2, 3, 4 pages on that same profile, and Facebook will not ban you. And peradventure you go against Facebook rules and regulation and they ban your page because you have a profile, you can secret another page. Okay, but they ban your profile, you can't from your page, you can never from your page create a profile. So you see, our profile is a house. Okay, so that is why it's always encouraged that you should do well to have a page and not just a profile. So after creating a profile, next thing to do is to proceed to a page and then be doing everything on your page and get that page monetized if you actually want to receive money from Facebook. So that is why creating a page is very, very important. So that much ado, let me show you how you can create a page. You can create a page in 3 ways. First way, if you check here, you see that 3 dot up to 9, which is 9 dots. If you click on it, you scroll down, you see page. You click on page. If you click on page, it opens for you to create your page. This is one way. Okay, another way you can also come to where you can create a page is by coming over here to where you see at your left hand. If you are using laptop, show your left hand side. Even on your phone, on your left hand side, you see all these scrolls. Start scrolling. Okay, from your name, Meta AI, friends, you keep on scrolling, you see the right pages, you click on it, and then you can also choose to create a page. You don't have any page at all, you see, and create new page. You can actually create a page, new page from here. Then another method again is for you to come over here where you see your profile, you click on it, it will open a drop down menu for you to also see a page. You click on it. So I've shown you like 3 ways you can create a page. There are many ways. Okay, you can even go to your address or maybe your Google and type business.facebook.com, and then from your Facebook Meta you also create a page. Okay, so without wasting time, let's create a new page. I click on create new page. Okay, so it will now ask you new profile or page. You tell them it's a page. Is it a public page? Yes, a public page. So after that you click next. Okay, so I click next. You say you create a page to engage new customers and fans. Of course, that's what we want to do. So you click on get started. Okay, you see Facebook has opened a place for you, just like place you opened the first time when we were started. So this is how you can come over here and then start change all of this. In our subsequent tutorial, I will show you can change all of this, and where you can also go to get your banner. This is what we call Facebook banner, to place here maybe a kind of banner that showcase what you want to do here on your page. So don't waste time. See you in that class as we discuss this together. Bye. See you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, follow us here, ask questions, comment. If you know a better way, teach us here. We are all here to learn together.